Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to code a factorial in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you're coding a function that requires you to use a factorial in Python, so I'll be showing you how to code a factorial in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so it's easier to see. And we're just going to start by setting our factorial value to be equal to 1. So that's just going to be our starting input point. Then we're just going to put in our number that we want to find the factorial of. So that will just be x, and let's say it's x equals 3. Right, so now I'm going to type in my if statement that allows us to do the factorial. So if the number is equal to 0, for example, then factorial will be equal to 1, because 0 factorial is equal to 1. Otherwise, so else, now I'm going to be using a for loop to do the actual factorial part. So for I in range from 1 to x plus 1, obviously, because we want it to go 1, 2, 3, and the for loop is going to, it needs to include, x plus 1, not x plus 3. The for loop has to include the number 3 as well. So yeah, and we're going to basically say that the factorial, now we're going to update the factorial, so it's going to be multiplied. We're going to multiply this number, so the factorial, which is 1, by each number in this range. So that was going to be 1, 2, 3 in this example, right? So we're going to say factorial times I, and that will be how the factorial works. So now if I print my factorial and I run that, that would give me 6, which is what 3 factorial is. And let's just check it again. If I have 2, that will obviously give me 2, because then it goes 1 and 2, and that's it. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to code a factorial in Python, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.